Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have the Subaru Crosstrek 2023 and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the engine air filter. You need no tools for this. You just lift up these clamps right here, then hold it from here and lift it up. As you see, this is the FRAM filter. This is the reference CA12295. Okay, so let's put the new one just like this. Just make sure to set it correctly all around the edge. Make sure to insert it down there where it goes. Now let's put back the clamp. There we go, second one. And this is it. This is how you usually change the air filter in this Subaru Crosstrek 2023. If you have liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. As always, thank you for watching guys, and see you next time. Bye bye.